This is Keza, and this is my video about model rockets. This summer my family and I went to the United States. My stepfather and I bought a model rocket. In this video, I will tell you about my rocket and a little bit about the physics of it. We bought a Estes 5318 Quicks model rocket. The rocket came with recovery wadding, starters, plugs, parachute, launch rod, blast plate, launch pad, two A34T Estes engines, and a launch controller. I started by assembling the launch pad with legs, launch rod, and blast plate. Then I assembled the rocket by putting together the fin can, attaching the launch lug, attaching the body tube, and assembling the nose cone. I then installed the shock cord. I still have super glue on my fingers from this step.
You used up all the glue on purpose!
Finally, I prepared the recovery system, also known as a parachute. In Sacramento, California, we found a park which was perfect for our launch. We found an area in the park where we thought that we could easily recover the rocket after launch. When we tried to launch the first time, we found that we had a problem. When we investigated, we found that some glue was on the metal of the starter. The starter is responsible for the ignition of the engine. The glue was blocking the electrical current from the battery to the engine, because glue is an insulator. So, we put on a replacement starter and we tried again.
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Woo! Yun o.
In this slowed clip of the launch, you can see the sparks from the starter igniting the engine. The engine produces a maximum of 6.8 newtons of thrust for 0.6 seconds. The rocket takes off at a speed of between 300 and 800 kilometers per hour. Within a millisecond the rocket is no longer visible. For comparison, a real rocket like the SpaceX Falcon Heavy produces 22,241,108 newtons of thrust and reaches speeds of 39,600 km per hour. So, there was no chance our little model rocket would go to space.
Hey bro, it's physics.
It took us a few seconds to see where the rocket was going. We realized the rocket's recovery system had failed, and the parachute did not open. So, the rocket fell straight back down and landed about 100 meters away from the launch pad. I examined the parachute and saw that it was packed in the rocket badly, which caused the failure. This was a good lesson for next time. I wish that we had more opportunities to test model rockets in Burundi, but I think it is illegal here. So, I hope to travel more and to do more physics experiments like this. For this video, we used a GoPro camera and smartphones to film. I used an AI text-to-speech software called VoiceMaker to narrate this video. And my stepfather and I used VSDC Video Editor for editing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.